ndị be anyị ebe ọwụ na ịnọ onye cheghere omenala Igbo omenala dị mma.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Casandra, and today we have an amazing guest. So, mommy, what do you say to my amazing?
Hello everyone.
Okay.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
Okay.
So today we are going to be making something really amazing, a special recipe. I would say it is compulsory that this recipe is among the various meals that a new mom would always eat, especially in Nigeria. Omugwo is incomplete without the pepper soup.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Agbadanku.
Omugwo is, a very common and interesting practice among the Igbo people in Nigeria, and the pepper soup, the famous pepper soup is, so as you know, I'm just a new mom, and this is one recipe that my mom made at the beginning of the Omugwo period. So we're going to be talking about the ingredients that you need for this particular recipe. So we're going to start with the first one. I'm really interested in this one. Yes, it's called Aju. Yeah, Agbadanku or Aju Mbise. So mommy, what exactly is the Agbadanku or Aju Mbise for?
It's a herb.
Okay.
It's a combination of herbs.
So what are the health benefits of the Aju Mbise?
One, it detoxifies the system. You know, a nursing mother, a woman that just gave birth, the body is so fragile. It will work thoroughly, cleanses you.
The second benefit
is that it's like a multivitamin.
Okay.
You feel hungry because when after taking this, you experience it because of it makes you to eat. You don't eat anyhow.
Yeah, that's a very important point.
You eat healthy food.
Eat good food. Not just eating, but just eat for nutrition. Yes, very important. Yeah, this is actually a very good herb. I like the fact that the pepper soup tastes so good. Really good. So mommy is going to be showing us how to prepare the famous pepper soup for Omugwo. Let's move on to the next spice. We have something called brekese. It's a spice. It's also a spice for the pepper soup. We also have the famous stockfish, okporoko, and we have the large crayfish.
This is a prawn.
Yeah. The dried one. We have our pepper soup spice. We also have some smoked catfish. So it depends on the kind of protein that you want in your pepper soup, but I usually love this one in my pepper soup. So for our leaves, we have the famous uziza leaves, and these are actually dried because mommy had to bring some of them for me. We also have efiri leaves, these are also dried. They're also called saint leaves, and these are the vegetables that we use for this pepper soup. Then we have this lovely dried fish. I really love it because if you use this you can also use this for jollof rice.
Yes.
You can also use it for stew, any kind of thing. So any protein that you want, you can actually add it. But the pepper soup is usually very good when you have dried ingredients, like dried proteins in them. We also have crayfish. It is compulsory. Crayfish must be inside the pepper soup. At this point, if you're enjoying the video, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, stay till the end because mommy is going to be showing us how to prepare this pepper soup. And I'm telling you for a fact that you're really going to enjoy it. Mommy, tell them to subscribe.
Please.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Wash
the Ayodele.
Okay.
Just rinse it and put it inside water.
So the reason why we're boiling it first is because you have to extract.
Yes. When you extract it, and mind you, this thing can be reused.
Okay.
So like 2 times, some people even 3 times.
Add some water and cover for it to boil.
Yeah.
So after about 15-20 minutes, let me show you what it looks like. So yeah, this is the color. Yes. So you can see that the moment the color changes from normal water color to this part, it means that all the nutrients from this herb is out of the Agbadanku Mbise or Aju Mbise. So you take it out And you can use this 2 or 3 times,
Times.
mommy.
2 or 3 times.
Okay. So this is the water we would use to prepare the pepper soup. Do we need to sieve this?
No, don't need it.
Okay.
This is the stockfish.
I want to add 1 more cube.
Okay. The next thing is
Brekese.
the brekese spice. Okay.
I'm putting all these spices now. The dry fish.
The dry fish.
Yes. Make sure you wash all this. Wash them. Look at the stockfish now. Okay. You see, I'm adding the pepper soup spice, crayfish, and black pepper. Okay.
So crayfish. So now black pepper.
Yeah. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes before I will put leaf. Naturally, the leaf supposed to be the last thing, but because of these are dry ones, we have to put it now before the fish, because it's that fish so that it will not pieces. It's the fish that will be the last. Uziza leaf and scent leaf. The leaves must not be too much. This is our smoked fish. One thing with this abadampo is that you don't use fresh, either fresh meat or fresh. It's only fish, dry, smoked one.
So, mommy, can you say something in Igbo language to our audience?
Ndị be anyị, ndewonu. Awụ m Oriakụ Lizzie Daniels, nwunye Ọmadike Obo. Ihe m chọrọ iwepụta n'ime ihe ndị a na-awụ, anọ m n'obodo oyibo ebe m nọ na-esi ihe, agara m ọmụgwọ. Ndị be anyị, ebe ọwụ na ịnọ, onye cheghere omenala Igbo, omenala dị mma. So Chineke gozie unu. N'obere oge mụ na unu ga-anọrịkwa.
Now our pepper soup is ready.
Yes.
Guys, this is looking so good. In fact, the aroma of this soup is amazing. Not talk about the taste. Yes, we are done making the best soup. Even though mommy was actually the one that made everything, but this is really, really nice. And I can tell you for a fact that this is so nutritious. So
Yeah.
if you're a new mom, and you're thinking of something to add to your diet, you can actually try pepper soup. This is, our culture. I will leave.
Yes.
So we're going to taste the pepper soup right now. The aroma is out of this world, trust me. So, mommy, we're going to have some. Bago. And depending on how much you like pepper, you can add more pepper. But this is actually okay. I like this. Really, really nice. So I'm going to have a little bit of smoked fish.
Yes, so.
If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. We add some yams into this. Perfect. You can have it with pounded yam. You can have it with rice, with a fufu. You can have it with fufu.
Yes.
You can also have it with agidi, which is eko.
Yes.
So just enjoy yourself, okay? Eat nutritious foods and just take a look at the ingredients that we use. These are local ingredients, our ingredients, and we're so excited.
Very good.
See you guys in my next video.
Bye.